Hi, I'm Larry Smith with Legacy Transitions. I put together a group of professionals to help families in transition. One of the areas I have helped people the most is with families that are dealing with probate. I did this out of my own pain and frustration of being an executor twice for my parents' estate. I was overwhelmed with the responsibility, and what made it worse was I was grieving. The truth was, the process of probate never allowed me to grieve the loss of my own parents. I knew there just had to be a better way for executors and trustees to manage the probate process. Since most of the work is non-legal in nature, Legacy Transitions was born. Now, before we jump in, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notifications so that you never miss one of my updates. My contact information is in the description. And again, thanks for tuning in. Usually once people understand what's involved in probate, the first question they ask me is, how can I avoid probate? In general, probate is a legal process that validates and executes a person's will, ensuring the proper distribution of their assets after they pass away. Now, while it is a necessary step in many cases, there are certain strategies and estate planning techniques that can help minimize the need for probate, or better yet, avoid it altogether. Here are a few options to consider. One common way to avoid probate is by creating a revocable living trust and transferring your assets into the trust. When you pass away, the assets held in the trust can be distributed to the beneficiaries without going through probate. Another option is to go with joint ownership. This is a very common option in Texas, and I encourage you to look into it. Particularly talk to your real estate agent and your attorney. Holding assets in joint tenancy with rights of survivorship or community property with right of survivorship can help avoid probate. When one owner dies, the assets automatically pass to the surviving owners outside of probate. Another great option is always make sure that you do beneficiary designations. Certain assets such as life insurance policies, retirement accounts, and payable on death bank accounts allow you to name beneficiaries. Upon your death, these assets transfer directly to the designated beneficiaries, bypassing probate. One recent case that I was a part of, they did not have the other spouse named as a beneficiary on any of their accounts, and the surviving spouse ended up having to live off credit cards and friends and family until they could get letters testamentary issued. So this issue of making sure beneficiaries is done cannot be underestimated. Another option is lifetime gifts. You can transfer assets into your intended beneficiaries through lifetime gifts. By giving property or funds before you pass away, you reduce the size of your estate and even a need for probate. Another option is going with small estate procedures. Many jurisdictions have simplified probate procedures for small estates that meet certain criteria. These procedures allow for expedited and less burdensome process. It's important to consult with an estate planning attorney or legal professional who specializes in probate and estate matters to understand the specific laws and options available that can help you create a comprehensive plan that aligns with your goals and ensures the smooth transfer of your assets while minimizing probate requirements. Hey, again, thanks for tuning in. I get calls, texts, and emails every week from many of you looking for help and direction, and I personally love that. So be sure to reach out to me by calling, text, or email, and I'd be happy to help you in any way that I can. And again, until next time, take care.